You guys, I am coming out with the 10 days of Christmas consciousness. So I just decided to make up a series because that's what we're doing here, making all this shit up anyway, right? So I said, I was laying in my bed and I said, what can I do? And I thought, let's do a consciousness Christmas, because that's what it's all about anyway. Christmas consciousness. And it's up-leveling your consciousness. And we're going to do this for the next 10 days. For day one is going to seem like, what? This is not consciousness. But if you do this, it is consciousness. So the first thing I want to do is I want you to clean out your closets. Clean out your closets, clean out your space, clean out all. I have been cleaning like crazy. I cleaned out an eBay room, I've cleaned out my spiritual room, and I'm like loving this in here. These are where I'm doing my my videos right now, my conscious videos, because I'm feeling so amazed that all this room is cleaned up and it's nice and it feels like a great big amazing energy. I have one of these Reiki beds in here. I was in here laying there and it just felt so good. So, you know, when you clean your house and then you're like, oh my God, nobody touch it, which we all are going to. But if we clean out stuff, more stuff comes in. It is a law. It is a law of the universe. Clean out, bring more in. So you're getting ready to bring more in. More joy, more love, more happiness, and more gifts are coming to you right now. Next week on Christmas, or people are celebrating already. People are going to friends and houses and already celebrating. So clean out your closets, just clean out a drawer, clean out your junk drawer, clean out something, because it opens up space for more things to come in and more wonderful, good things to come in. Also, even just physically cleaning something out, we can clean out our minds and say, well, I don't want to think that anymore. I don't want to do that anymore. But just because you're doing that physical move out, stuff in your brain starts to clear up also. It does. It brings more clarity to yourself. It brings more clarity to your brain. It brings more clarity. When I walk in this room and it was a mess, I was like, every day, oh, I've got to clean this room. I've got to clean this room. Now I walk in here and I'm like, I don't have to clean this room. I can sit in here and meditate.